Welcome back. My name is Janet, aka PerkiPerkins, and as you read on my title, today I'm doing my springtime AdoreMe unboxing. If you're interested in seeing what amazing goodies I was able to pick for this month's AdoreMe, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, if you're new to the Perki family, I would greatly love and appreciate if you guys can hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. I would also like to give a huge massive thank you to AdoreMe for sponsoring today's video. Woo! I'm so appreciative to AdoreMe because I really truly love the brand's products, and again, I have recommended the line to not only all my subscribers but all my family and friends. AdoreMe has an incredible VIP program. Every month you're able to pick an item, or you can always skip a month, but you're always able to get products at a discounted rate. They have an incredible hassle-free return/exchange policy that, again, I love very, very much because, you know, when you're in between sizes, sometimes it's kind of hard to pick. And if you're looking to make your first AdoreMe purchase, I would highly recommend you guys use my discount link down in the description. My discount link gives you your first lounge set or lingerie set for only $24. Yes, you heard me right. The discount is just for you. I don't make any commission whatsoever. It's not affiliated. So I did want to make sure and let you guys know at the very beginning. But anyways, you guys, let's get to it and let's see what I picked for the spring season. And let's go. Oh, just a little sneak peek for you guys. I'm always very appreciative to AdoreMe because they give us such a generous credit to begin with to pick out any styles we'd like. And, you know, we can really customize, or if we want to get a little bit more snazzy and maybe try something new, you know, because it is my birthday. By the time this video goes live, it would have been my birthday. So, you know, I want to get something cute, a little sexy, you know what I mean? So this is the first bra, which is the Mirianne push-up. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering it. I'm going to make sure all the bras, because I'm going to butcher their names, I'm going to just post them on the screen along with their regular price point. Because again, if you do choose to sign up for the VIP, or if you decide to use my discount link, you get a discounted rate. So you'll always see the regular price, and then it says, you know, VIP member, that's their price. So you'll always see both prices on the website. So here's the first little bra. This looks so cute, and again, so sexy. I was going through all my collection and noticed I didn't really have a nice push-up that covered a little bit more. They were more like demis. So when I saw this, I knew I had to have it. And I really like the simplistic, you know, very chic lacing. And this is the waist, and it has a really nice sturdy waistband. And of course your adjustable straps. I ordered a lot of black, so I'm trying to find the undies. So this is the matching bikini panty, and it has this, it's a very nice kind of like soft satiny material. And what's really neat, you think this is nude, like it's seen through your skin, but it actually has a nude backing, so it gives you that little bit extra dimension, which is very nice. And again, their products always have such amazing quality. This is the Charlize Unlined. And I actually grabbed this previously in the pink color, and they were so nice. This bra looks like a bralette, but again, just like the other one, it has the little mesh inside, so it's not your skin actually peeking through, and it has wiring, so you have, you know, you have the lift and the support while still having the nice separation, which is something I look for. I'm wearing the Fatima, for example, right now, and it has no underwire whatsoever. But so, you know, it's kind of like all one in a sense, but I mean, I still have good spacing. But this, you know, this one gives you a nice full separation, and it looks so cute, and it was so comfortable. I knew I had to pick this one up too. So for this one, I decided to pick up the high-waisted lacy, because look at this. Isn't this gorge? It's just, it looks so cute. It has the high thigh, so it's, you know, very cute and sexy. So this beauty right here is Justina. Again, another black lacy, and I really love the front details. It's just, I don't know, it's just, I know it's going to be hidden, but just having that little extra pizzazz, it just makes you feel a little extra cute some days, you know? It's all in the details, you guys. Like, you see the beige tone in the front, but it actually has the extra coloring in the back. So again, very beautiful detailing and craftsmanship. And it has like a nice band in the back. These are the adorable hipsters. Again, very, very cute. They keep the style going by putting the little, cutouts like right here on the side. This style is called Colete Contour. And I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks, again, this was perfect for either Valentine's Day or the springtime, summertime. It is so stinking cute. It has such gorgeous detailing. You can use it year round, or you can use it as a bathing suit, in my personal opinion. And it has the hot pink straps, of course. Nice. The bottoms are so cute. The bottoms are gorgeous. Again, to me, it's all about the details. And if I can feel cute, sexy, even just with my underclothes, you know, of course I'm putting something on top, it starts me off with a good mood in the morning. So this is Emanuel, and it has a very pretty, you know, powder pink kind of color, and it has a little lacing detailing with a little kind of like fringe style right here on the top, which is so, so cute. Very romantic kind of. And again, the straps in the back, very nice quality. And look at this adorable bottom. Oh my gosh, doesn't this give you like a 1920s vibe? Like, this is how bathing suits used to look like back then. I love the little fringe and how it's basically going to shape out your hips really, really nicely. So I decided to open everything because I was just wasting so much time with the packaging. So for my next item is the Laura Plus. So I decided for the pajamas to go up to the plus size because they do offer 0X, which is like a size 12. And that's what I straddle. I straddle like between a 10 and a 12, depending on how, you know, stretchy and stuff like that they are, because I'm typically a medium top, but I'm a large bottom. I really like the arms. For the arms, you can actually pull it, so to make it more like cinched in. And I'm going to put this on right now. I'm going to put this on. I'm going to swap to this top just because I like it. So it's a little big. It's a little big for me, but honestly, they're pajamas. I'd rather them be a little big and, like, you know, slouchy, where I just have to fix them. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. But I really love how the material, I always rave about how the AdoreMe, especially loungeettes and PJs, the material is so nice and soft, and oh, I love it. And with the Laura set, it actually came with shorts, which I needed some new ones. And just like the top, you can actually cinch it in if you want to like raise up your thigh and show a little bit more skin. Because I'm a February baby, I'm a Pisces baby, amethyst my birthstone. You know your girl loves purple. So I chose the Monica nightie. But it's a very nice, kind of like a, you know, overnight nightie. It's just a traditional, you know, nightie in a sense, very soft lilac. And what really intrigued me were these little side panels. So on both sides where your hips would be lined up, you have these little kind of see-through side panels, which again, I thought was so cute and sexy. So, you know, you can kind of be suggestive to your partner without being too obvious, you know, a little subtly. And it does have really nice adjustable straps. So you can adjust them and tighten them up as much as you like. So that way it's not like hanging down too far. So it fits like, you know, short and tall people. I want to post some pictures with me and some of the PJs here soon. So I'll make sure to come back at a later time and link it in the description. And I'm also going to post a link in my community tab. So this is the Colete, but now in the lavender. It's very kind of cool tone with the pops. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I swear, I love this. I love I loved both colors. I needed to grab them both because that's the type of person I am, you guys. If I really like something, I'm gonna get multiples. Like I will, and that's how you know I love a product. Very, very cute, very adorable. And again, such a beautiful color and print, and I love the fact that it's more of that cool tone lilac with the little pops, you know, throughout. Again, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful details. I believe this one's called Clarisse. It's a very, very cool, like very lacy, see-through bodysuit, but it is so stinking cute. And again, lilac. I mean, it has such, again, I can't rave enough about the quality of the products and the back. It's just so stunning. And it does have like the little garter belt attachments right here as well. So I thought that was very cool because, you know, the ones I used to get back in the day, you always bought these separately. And these have a nice little flex, you know what I mean? This is Havyn, I believe it's pronounced, and it's a different type of bodysuit. And it has a long sleeve. I personally like the print. I like these type of colors, and it looked lightweight based off the description. And I also appreciate how it has the little snaps on the bottom so I don't have to undress completely. So when I saw this guy, I was like, I need to try it. Now I did up a size on this one. I got an extra large because I just wanted to be safe. My birthday is February 22nd, so I'll be traveling that week to my family's house and stuff. And I'm gonna take some of these pieces and I will definitely snap some pictures for you guys to share. Isn't that cute? All right, my friends, so that was my final piece for the spring AdoreMe unboxing. Now I would love to hear what was your favorite piece that I unboxed and shared this spring season. And as a reminder, AdoreMe has hundreds and hundreds of styles along with the array of colors where I know you will find something that truly suits you. So don't think just the few little items that I have here, that's all they have to offer. No, they have a really beautiful, extensive product offering with so many other styles. Not only does AdoreMe offer lingerie or pajamas, they offer loungewear, activewear. They have more like pre-teen section now. They have so many categories of products that your mind will be blown at how much they actually have to offer, and in my opinion at a fairly reasonable price. And again, you can always try out AdoreMe using my discount link where you guys can get your first set for $24. Again, another great way to introduce yourself to the company and to see what you really like. The discount link is just for you guys. I make no commission whatsoever. Down in my description, I always make sure to properly categorize what items are actually affiliated versus discount link. And once more, I would love to thank AdoreMe for sponsoring my video. Again, I'm always so appreciative and very grateful because, you know, compared to some, I'm a very small creator. So that's why I'm always so appreciative for them to, you know, to work with me and to continue to work with me. And I almost forgot to mention, I have an active giveaway, you guys. So if you haven't entered, make sure to go back to the previous video. I'm going to make sure to post a link down in the description as well saying giveaway link. This way you can properly enter. All the rules for the giveaway are in that video. By the time this video goes live, you'll have a few more days left to enter. Commenting in this video gives you extra entry, so make sure you do leave me just a little comment. When you leave a comment in this video, I will consider that as an extra entry. So don't forget to make sure and leave a comment. This way I know you were here. And again, it could be anything you want to answer as long as it's related to the video. What was your favorite item, least favorite item, whatever, you know, something as long as it's related towards the video. That is considered your extra entry. So make sure you guys do not miss out. And if you haven't joined the Perki family, what are you waiting for? You've made it this far. So make sure you guys hit that big old red button and hit the bell This way you get all of your notifications because you don't want to miss my future uploads, because I have a huge collaboration I'm doing with a really good friend, and I'm so ecstatic because we're also going to be working on some, like I said, it's going to be huge. So make sure you guys are staying tuned. I don't want you to miss out. But anyways, you guys, thank you all so much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. Goodbye. Yeah.